Hi guys, this is Hugh from Hugo's4Photos. Today we are looking at how to clean an SLR camera. So let's go. Okay guys, you need your camera, very important. You need a cloth, which have to be clean one, and you need a small blower to go around the lens and the filter, so like that. And you need a piece of paper, which I will be getting in a minute. Just a minute please. Okay, so before we start, make sure your camera lens hood is off. Okay. When you got a piece of sheet of A4 paper like this, just make sure your camera is locked out of manual focus. So you can go lock on to the paper and just make sure you haven't got any dots on the sensor paper thing. Just go to menu setting and go to have to find this. After cleaning, turn camera off, continue. So go to OK, press OK, and the mirror is up. So the mirror is up. The best way is for me sorry about that. Okay, when you've done all the first procedure, just take your lens off and you'll be looking like this. Pardon me. And the mirror is up, so you'll be able to clean now. The best thing is for me is to put it on a tripod, for a second tripod, so the disc can like fall out when I brush it and blow it. Just put a piece of paper end of the camera so you can see, so you're blowing into this. Just a minute. Make sure you don't go totally right in. Just a few centimeters. When you finish blowing the sense, like the mirror inside of your camera, just put the lens cap on the camera so you can work on the lens at the moment. It's my lens, the 18-270 lens, f.3.5 6.3, and when you've taken it off, just use the rocket blower as well, the rocket blower, and just put some air over it. Don't touch the back of the lens. Just blow some air around, and just get your cloth if you need it, and just wipe round the metal bit, and just go blow some steam from your breath, and just clean that part with my fingers, this part. And when you've done this, put the lens cap back on the back lens, so you'll be working at the front now, so you don't get any more dust at the back. So here we go. Same procedure with the small duster. Just go round the outside. If you need it, just put some air down it and just wipe. Just do this gently. And just go. Just breathe some steam on the glass, this filter, and just rub. Just rub nice. Just unscrew it to get to the actual glass. This bit I've unscrewed my filter, so just breathe some cold air on the lens so it's steamed up, and do get a cloth and just wipe round the lens. Just gently, you don't have to put pressure on it, just gently, and see, that's a bit clean. I know you can't see it much, but in my eyes it's clean enough. Get your filter, put your lens down bottom first with your cap on. Breathe some air in on the bottom of the lens so it's a bit steaming up, and just wipe round. No, don't put any more pressure on, just wipe it round. And you can just get your lens and screw it back in. Get your lens cap, click it in, get your lens hood again, attach the lens to the camera. So make sure the camera's still off and wind this. Take your lens back half, the back side. Get the lens orange to orange on your camera, or what colour it is, and when you hear the click it's locked in. Just make sure you don't press this by accident. Okay guys, thank you for watching Hugo's Photos for how to clean your camera. If you have any questions or queries, please let me know by the box underneath, comment box. Thank you.